Local news first. The boys and girls in Palau are doing a lip tap with the song Party Local Day.
They want to break the record of last year, 5,200 hits.
Boys and girls who are preparing the lip tap. Their song is Party Local Day, and now I'm with 6 dancers of the lip tap.
Hi. Do you like dancing?
Yes, of course, I love it.
Do you like the idea of the lip tap?
Yes, I think that the song is very fun and difficult, but I think that we can do it.
Can you do the lip tap if the weather is bad?
No, we can't because we have some sense outside.
Have you ever taken a powerful lip tap?
No, it's my first year in the summer camp.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Good luck.
Nora Lorenzo for the news. Back to the studio.
Bye!
And now, with what's happening in society, it's over to Aina.
Last night, there was a murder in the Centre Cívic Palau. She was a NASA scientist, and she had very important information about her organization. One of the cleaners saw everything, and here we have her.
We were cleaning the room next door and we suddenly heard a very strange noise. I went there to see what was happening. I saw a man shouting at her and she fell on the floor. I think she was already dead.
Yes, I arrived after her, but he did it. I found it next to her body. Do you want it? This is for me. The evidence is for the police.
I am innocent.
Okay then. Aina Maroto for the news, Girona. Back to the studios.
Time for a commercial break.
Back in 2 minutes.
Are they at the swimming pool?
What are they? Oh yes, it's great.
2 hours later without sun cream.
Oh no, what's red? It's hot. How terrible. If you don't want to end up like this, use summer rays. Summer rays, summer rays, summer rays. Hello, can I dance with you? Yes, go please. Kiss me. Kiss me. Can I help you? Here's a glass of water, please.
I know. I just need my perfume.
Hello.
Can I help you? Let's get best friends.
Is Barca going to win the league this season?
I hope so. And now with our sports editors.
The Bernabéu Stadium has fallen down because of the crisis in Real Madrid.
Cristiano Ronaldo quit playing football due to a broken fingernail.
Barca has vouchers. He's very happy because he's earning 14 million a year.
Marc Gasol, the basketball player, has moved to LA.
Rafa Nadal win all the tennis matches, but he still lost the Wimbledon Cup.
The Rugby World Cup 2011 starts this month in New Zealand.
Michael Phelps, the Australian swimmer, was injured during a competition. This is the end of this section.
And finally, let's try to learn something about the weather forecast.
Are you ready? It's over to Eduardo and Lucas.
Good morning. Now the weather forecast. I think today is going to rain.
Yes, I think so.
Oh yes, it started to rain inside the studio.
Also, there will be a very strong wind.
Really?
Yes, a very windy day.
Ladies and gentlemen, be careful of the weather today.
Take umbrella and with you.
Goodbye.
That's the end of the news today. Goodbye.
Goodbye and see you tomorrow.